has led me here to your love, so pure and clear. Through the silence, through the years, through our laughter, through our tears, I will walk this life with you, and everything we go through. With every word I give my soul, with your